And currently what I have, okay, so so rotating at the end is handled under this unit component thing, but I'm just gonna change it to class method here again. When it's clicked, triangle clicked, so y rotation, I'm just gonna bring it all of them to unit turn to direction method, and let's go to unit. Okay, so turn to direction. It's something, and it's a void, and it is this. Turn to direction should get the y rotation, because it's just quicker to get it at the component level, right? So y rotation. And what else should I pass? Y rotation is passed. Okay, direction L class list. So okay, so direction. That's a clicked direction, so I think it's just better to have it here and then pass it. Clicked direction is passed, and what else? And then let's build the console. So this L is a unit L, right? So I'm just gonna unit L this ID, so this L should be replaced. Set attribute, but I can just do the same thing here. Instead of setting attribute here, I'm just gonna bring it down here and just set the from and to. From and to, and ish from is what 0, 0, 0, and 2 is what 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And by the time I do this, the autopilot will know what I'm doing, right? So he would do this for me. Okay, so now. Okay, so unit component, so that's done. That's turn. Okay, so now unit is not defined here. Unit, so I should get unit. And what unit is unit, oh sorry, const unit is, units get one this unit ID. Exactly. And actually, if you can do that, you can actually do, this can come, so actually this unit has the data that I needed. Sorry about that, sorry about not knowing that. So this unit, not unit, work for me. Units is not defined. Where did I call units? the unit.ts. I see. Where? Okay, so unit L set attribute rotation, right, and units. So let's bring this back, or instead of setting timeout, can't we await? Okay, I see. So setting timeout is good, and return resolve. So bring this part back to the component, which is a unit component, and let's await and do that, and async, and unit L is this L, right? Void return new promise resolve reject them, and I will just do alt set timeout resolve. Here you go. It's a promise. Reject is defined but never used. Sure. Something's not working actually. Some rotation not working. It should update this direction. Should be up, just updated. Direction is a click direction, final direction. Final direction. So final direction is okay. So original 90, original direction is east. North. When we know the original direction, and you know what, I'm just gonna the to from is actually the same, so I'm just gonna delete that, and from is always UV. Just gonna copy this. Plus 2 is 2 is 0, 0. If 2 is 0, final direction is south. Two is 90, yeah, is it? And 2 is 100 north, yeah, and 2 is, yeah, final direction. So this direction, okay, sorry, final direction updated. So that's updated. That means I don't really have to set it at the unit component here. Query selector and then set attribute visible. Yeah, I should do that. So I don't need this bit. And I don't actually have to await. That means I don't actually, yeah, well, await. Let's await for now. But because that's useful for so many stuff as well. Move, turn to west, and then yeah, start from that direction. South, we go to this, yep, and face north maybe, and then look, sorry, I can't click it. Why is it not clicking? Sometimes because 2 is negative, is it? Yes, minus negative. Negative 90, so it could just be negative 90, negative 90 and 2, so this is it. It can be negative 90. Yeah. Yeah. Is it a promise still? Yeah, it's still a promise. It is. Okay, so unit, new file, turn to direction. .ts, export, const, turn to direction. Something. So what do I need? That's Y rotation and unit L, direction, and unit L should be defined at the parent. Unit L is defined and turn to direction as this. As I will take Y rotation and unit L and direction. The speed? No, I don't think so. Why did you add that? That's a, okay, so that's a promise. Turn to direction, turn to direction, turn to direction. Let's bring it back to, sorry. Yep. Return. Alright. So turn to direction. Oh, this direction, final direction. It should return the final direction. Return final direction. Okay. Final direction is const. Well, I would just do this. No, system config is not defined. Yeah, sure. Dot. Did I? Yeah, import it. Yep. So I don't need it anymore. Set attribute unit L. Okay, see, was a wrong order. Okay, so click, click, come on, turn, no problem. Final direction is not defined. Oh yeah, sure. Finally, so I think I'm almost done with the refactoring and making, each file less than, I don't know, 100 lines. That's my goal. So unit, making unit to a class is, I'm gradually doing that, but it's not completely done. So I'm gonna just, keep refactoring in the future, but I will just call it, okay for now and move on to the wait turn concept.